Just like the products we make, Seats Incorporated is moving ahead, growing, serving the fire and emergency vehicle industry with innovative seating solutions. By working closely with users in the field, our design engineers have assembled a wide variety of seating choices for the driver, officer co-driver, and crew. We offer seats with full lumbar support, as well as seats that accommodate SCBA equipment. Frames are made to fit any vehicle and include ABTS and non-ABTS applications. We understand that firefighting requires precision equipment in a chaotic environment. Seats Incorporated is a leader in materials technology and offers a number of different options for cleanability and durability. These include coverless cushions, as well as our exclusive Turnout Tough covering material. This ripstop fabric is water repellent to 75 psi and resists abrasion and tearing. Our products go through extensive testing in our unrivaled state-of-the-art test lab, ensuring the best high-quality product is delivered to our customers. Components can be removed for cleaning or replacement should damage occur. Whether you are an OEM or a department looking to upgrade seating, we invite you to speak with a sales specialist. Chances are we have something appropriate in our catalog. If not, our engineering team stands ready to look at specifications and requirements to deliver what you need. Seats Incorporated, innovative design, diverse manufacturing, quality seating.